could have anyone in the world, floats around town in a golden gown, born in a castle on a cloud. Magnolia, prettiest girl that I know, stars in her eyes, handpicked from the skies, beautiful soul. How can I compete with her? Perfection is the only word I think of when I think of Magnolia. She doesn't know that the world is turning just for her. I wish I could be Magnolia. Magnolia, she could move oceans and rivers with ease. A word from her lips, her siren's kiss, will send you straight into